this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we have got a haul for you today from Charlie's Nail Art Supply in the UK. You always know it's Charlie. It'll have an airmail stamp here. And I love, love, love this here with the Queen on it. So we're going to dive right in. We're going to get our... Okay, here's our note from Charlie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your beautiful designs. Charlie. Love her personalized notes. We're going to pull everything out. Here's my PR package. We will save that for the end. And we have got some repeats. I have a habit of doing that. So let me go in here and see what we got. Okay. By repeats, I mean things I've ordered before, and we're going to start with the Mickey and Minnie Mouse heads. These are going to go in the giveaway pile or tote. These are really cool to have. You can do encapsulation. So we've got those. We have got more pianos. These will go in the giveaway as well. And let me see. We have bought the cherries. I have got 3 packages of them. There is 2 cherries in there a piece. They're super light pink. I'm probably going to keep 2 and put 1 in the giveaway. So let's see what else I got. We got some snowflakes. Love, love, love. Oh, more pianos. These, I think, are so darling. They are cameos. I do have 2 packages. I don't know if I'm putting 1 in the giveaway and keeping 1, so that is up in the air. I ordered... Oh, here's some more snowflakes. More snowflakes. Love doing snowflake manis. Love, love, love. Here are cherry and strawberry mix. These will go in the giveaway. I have got see if I can pull them all out. And what's bad is I don't know my... Oh, here's more Mickey. I don't know what these are called. Fillmores? I don't know. Somebody will help me out. I know in my last video, what is today? I didn't know if they were called that either. Hopefully by now somebody has chimed in on that video and corrected me. We've got some rectangular AB crystals, I believe they are called. We got those. We got... Ooh, I think maybe 1 will go in the giveaway. What else do we have here? I don't know. I'm not good with my shapes. These to me would be like large teardrop. And then here, oh, I love these. These are really pretty. Really super pretty. Hope you can see these good on camera. They're really beautiful. And these are the hearts. I'm going to jump in next with my nail foils, my nail art wraps, which are water decals, palm trees. Love, love, love. Ooh, there's stuff off to the side. Get your skulls and roses. Your tropical theme. And there's 2 of these. 1 will go for the giveaway. This is like your checkered flag, which to me makes me think of car racing, waving the checkered flag at the end of the oval track. I know that's not what they are, but that's what it makes me think. One of those will go in the giveaway. Okay, I want to save those for last. We have got some neon square mix. Love, love, love these. Look how gorgeous those are. Mini manicures you can do with one bag. Okay, we have got some more of these rectangulars. These will go in the giveaway. Let me see. My brain got work so quickly here. We have got some Reese, or not Reese, listen to me, like some candy canes for Christmas. There's only 2 in a package, so I'm most likely going to be keeping both of those. Oh, these are so cute. There is 4 in the package. They are really, really super tiny. I think they are roses. Super, super cute. So little. We have got, I call them sunflowers. Love, love, love these. I'll put one in the giveaway. I can't remember if I have more of those or not. Now we have got some little candies. Or wait a minute. Yeah, these are little candies. Look at how sweet those are. These are so cute. So here we go. We have got some more. Don't know what to call them. Because I know the name I'm coming out with is wrong. These are like your neon kind, I think. I'm just going to say flowers. These are butterflies. How cool is that? So now, this is a big haul. Sorry my videos seem to be so long, but I like my Charlies. Now we have got some, let's see. We have got the Fine Matte Neon Glitter Mixes. This is the green. The orange. Oh, that's not one of those. Do that one last. We have got the neon pink mix. Look at how pretty that is. The yellow. And the blue. Neon blue. So we have got those. I didn't order doubles of those. I'm very sorry. And here, look how beautiful this is. I think that it's just gorgeous. This is 5 grams of the Raspberry Fine Holographic Mix. Oh, the neons. Oh, these are also 5 grams. Oh, wow. That's a big bag. And these are full. Look how beautiful that is. This again is the raspberry. I think that is just a beautiful color. Let me see, where should I put this? Spread my goodies out just a little bit. I have got a wide variety in front of me of nail art products that I'm going to share with a lot of women. Cannot wait to have that. I think I'll be starting that in July. Have a couple giveaways throughout the rest of the summer with some extra products that I bought from Charlie's. If you would like to buy from Charlie's, it is charliesnailartsupply.co.uk. And please feel free to use my ambassador code, which is all caps, nailed it 10. And save yourself 10% off of your order. A lot of things you can get for little money. I don't even want to tell you what I spent here. Let me see. Oh, my PR package. What did I spend? A little over $20. Over $20. Look at how many manicures you can get from this. You'd be set for quite a long time. My PR package. Oh. My Mickeys. Look at how sweet that is. This Mickey Mouse nail foil rats. And here is the sample of, these are the brown flowers. I think those are so pretty. And this is like a checkered pattern, hollow checkered. Ooh-wee. And then here, oh. Okay, here they are. I think they call them lollies. Here in the U.S., we might call them suckers or ice creams. I can't tell which they are. I think these are too cute, though. And the sunglasses. I think these are so sweet. I want to get me some more of those. And these are so pretty. These are holographic. These are definitely hollow pink. Hope you can see those. That is my PR package for June. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen here today. Go check out Charlie's. Check them out on Instagram. I will leave that in the description box and along the bottom of the screen here. Sorry, I'm parched. But yeah, check out Charlie's. Check out the rest of my videos at Charlie's, my other hauls, my other manicures that I've done. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.